In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get 10% off of Recut, the must-have tool for content creators who want to save time on video editing. If you're tired of manually cutting out silences and dead air from your videos, this is the tool you've been waiting for. And with this discount code we're sharing today, you can get Recut at an even better price. So first off, what is Recut? Recut is a powerful video editing tool designed to automatically remove silent parts of your video, making your editing process faster and more efficient. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or any type of content creator, Recut helps you cut down on your editing time so you can focus on what really matters. It's user-friendly, integrates seamlessly with your existing editing software, and saves you hours of work. Let's talk about a few of the key features. First off, automatic silence detection. Recut's core feature is its ability to scan your footage and detect silent sections with impressive accuracy. This means you don't have to manually go through and find those quiet moments. Next is precision editing. Unlike some tools that can be a bit rough around the edges, Recut offers precision editing, ensuring that your cuts are clean and professional. You can adjust the sensitivity of the silence detection to match the needs of your project. Next, timeline export. Recut isn't just about trimming your video, it's about making your entire editing process smoother. Once the silent sections are cut out, you can export your edited timeline directly into your favorite video editing software like Adobe, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. This feature alone can save you a significant amount of time, especially on larger projects. Customization options. Every project is different, and Recut understands that. You have full control over the silence detection settings, allowing you to tweak the thresholds and timings to fit your specific needs. Batch processing. If you're working with multiple videos, Recut's batch processing feature will be a lifesaver. You can load multiple files into Recut and process them all at once, making it so much easier to manage larger projects or regular content uploads. And lastly, ease of use. Recut is designed with simplicity in mind, so you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it really easy to get started right away. Now, how to actually get the discount. To get the discount, it's simple. Just click the link in the description and you'll automatically receive a 10% discount on your purchase. And just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission if you do choose to use our links. So if you choose to do so, we just want to thank you so much in advance. So if you're ready to take your video editing to the next level and save some time in the process, click that link in the description to get 10% off. This is a powerful tool that can really streamline your editing workflow so you don't want to miss out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. This channel is dedicated to helping you grow your startup with the best tools, tips, and strategies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.